Do you love biking? Have you ever run into the situation of needing to fix or adjust your bike on the road, but since the tools were too bulky, you do not have them with you? Introducing our award-winning next-generation product, WOKIT 2.0, which replaces 28 tools and weighs only 130 grams. Now you can have your mind at ease while you're out there riding.
With only a couple moves, you already have a fully functioning tool that can fix any problem on your bike.
Hello, my name is Brian Borchers and I own Russian River Cycle Service. I've been in the bicycle industry for a good 20 years. Never afraid of buying a specialty tool when I need it for the job. This tool has everything that you could possibly need. I would probably use this primarily in my shop, not just out on the trail. The idea of it is to have everything in your pocket when you're out on the road. It has pretty much every tool you could imagine that you would need. So you got flat blade, Phillips blade, Torx, Allens, sockets. It has a bottle cap opener, 1/4-inch drive ratchet driver, starts at 2mm Allen and goes up to 6mm. Has a Phillips, a flat blade, and a chain tool. Once you take out the attachments, you assemble it for whatever it is that you're working on. Slip it into the carabiner, turn it over, lock the carabiner down on it, and it's ready to go. This tool's made out of chromoly steel. They use the same materials in axles and gear fabrication. What I have here is the 15mm open-end wrench. When you're holding it in your hand, it fits really nicely. You could definitely put legitimate full-on torque on this wrench. You pretty much could disassemble anything on a bicycle on the roadside and put it back together, more importantly.
Weight is extremely important to cyclists, and I won't get weighed down by this tool.
You can take it anywhere, you can forget about it even, because you can clip it to your belt.
Biking in the Napa Valley is an unbelievable experience and helps me connect to nature. Saving weight is what every cyclist needs. You don't have to bring a whole toolkit of 5 to 7 tools, you just need one tool. Compact and lightweight and easy to take out of the saddle. It really just gives the opportunity to fix any problem. You won't even notice it in your jersey pocket.
Our team of design engineers and daily cyclists came together because we needed a better solution for having tools on the road. After years of engineering, we're now ready to release the next generation prototype of WOKIT, and we need your support to move into mass production. Please back us today to be one of the first people to own WOKIT 2.0 and have the power of a full bike shop fit in the palm of your hand. WOKIT, the only kit you need when you are out there on the road.
Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multitool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
2 years ago, we brought you Tactica's first crowdfunding campaign, the One Bottle Opener, and now we have our latest innovation ready for you. Talon pushes the limits with materials technology and functionality. Its patent-pending design is made possible by using an advanced composite material. This makes it super strong, and enables the unique unibody design that increases strength and hardness. We've also created a dual-purpose storage compartment into the design to function as a socket, something that hasn't been possible in a multi-tool until now. We make the Talon in Melbourne, Australia, and over the past few months our team has worked closely to perfect the design for manufacture. It's great to be involved again with the same factory that produces our popular one bottle opener. This kind of collaborations make sure that everyone involved has a deep understanding of the project and the high standards we expect. Having a local manufacturer also reduces the risks usually associated with overseas manufacture. No waiting on shipments, faulty products or delivery delays. We'll be right there in front of the machine as they come off the line. It doesn't get any more personal than that. Importantly, tooling has already commenced. Yes, that's right. We've made the decision to launch straight into the production process because we reckon you're going to want one or two in time for Christmas. We're tooling the moulds now and we'll be ready for full-scale production well before Christmas. Thanks for the support and look forward to getting a Talon in your hands soon.
My name is Christian Reed. As an MIT engineer and Army veteran, I saw a great need for a compact, no-nonsense multi-tool. As a way of giving back, I created the Tools for Troops program. When you buy a Gripsure Black, a service member will receive a free Gripsure Military. It took more than 50 iterations to get to the current design. Our manufacturer is set up and ready to go. All we need is your help, Kickstarter.